We have received quite a few boxes from NOBL, the luggage company. I decided to bring them downstairs to share with you why USA Today has called NOBL a game changer and best luggage of 2024.
You know, it's not that it's heavy, and that I have to go up and down stairs.
It feels like the boxes these come in are heavier than the actual luggage themselves. And since I don't know how to ask for help, here we are.
We got some gifts. Whew. All right, so thank you, NOBL, first of all. NOBL, NOBL. Some people say, I like that company NOBI because sometimes the L looks like an I. I'm like, no, it's NOBL. It's NOBL. So some of you know that I will be at a training for multiple weeks real soon. And I don't do check-in bags. There's not enough security for me for check-in bags. People could walk off with your bags, but being away for multiple weeks, I'm going to need a check-in bag. So why not get the best? Now, NOBL sent these for me and for Henry. These are not all for me. I never wanted to be seen as a Puerto Rican with a box cutter, but here I am. NOBL has redesigned the way we look at luggage, and other people have done similar things since then. But let's see what we have here. It's very light. This is just a dust cover. Keep this to store your bags, but I probably won't use it. This is the rain cover. And look at this handle. So no more slamming of your handles. It has a slow turn. That's cute. You slip it right off. This is your rain guard. I don't normally travel this way. We've been to Mexico, the Caribbean, Europe, Central South America, 10, 15 days with a carry-on. We know how to pack. I'm gonna show you how I pack in other videos. But since I have to go away to a training, I need a check-in bag. Look at this beautiful NOBL check-in luggage. It really is something to withhold.
The hard outer shell is made out of 100% German polycarbonate.
Again, I love this handle feature. You could adjust it in different heights. Do you see these little feet that you will put your bag on the side? They're actual hooks as well. Let me show you. You see that? Those have little hooks. Let me get a bag.
Eat your colors. Your bag, or maybe a food bag, goes right there.
Isn't that cute?
And each foot is actually a hook.
And there's 4 of them. 2 up here, 2 down there. Your umbrella, handles, whatever you need. Let's open it up. That's the part I really want to show you. Look at this design. There is no zipper. That means thieves can't break into your bag. So no zipper. You see this design? You can put your own lock code. It's just that easy.
And all locks are TSA approved. Now, what does that mean? That means the Transportation Security Administration has a master key. If they need to get into your bag, they will not break your locks.
And this is what you have inside. Look at all this space. I'm able to pack a lot of my suit jackets, my pants, my slacks, my shirts on this side for a little bit more extra security and to pack your clothes down even further. There's a large wet bag. Your bathing suits, anything that's wet can go in here. put a few more things in here if you want to. You could put stuff that needs to be breathable, like your gym wear. Then you have this whole other side
where I can pack in even more clothes. It is going to be 6.5 weeks.
And they also sent me a carry-on bag. They also sent some bags for Henry too, which I thought was really nice. And I'm going to show you that next. But this is beautiful. No zippers. You know I love the handle. I'm on my rug, but I can easily glide back and forth.
NOBL uses the smoothest 360-degree wheels.
This has the same duster, it looks like.
And their carry-on comes with a raincoat too. It easily slips on and off. An adjustable handle to accommodate various sizes.
This is a cool carry-on. Now, it has the same hooks. The feet become hooks. Now, why does this have a zipper and the check-in does not? Well, the check-in is out of your sight. Your carry-on is with you. It's with you on the plane. It's with you when you're getting something to eat. It is always with you. So it doesn't need this kind of protection. But it does have
a double zipper design that locks in. The code is set to 000, but you can make your own codes.
The handle has various heights. You know, we're not all the same size. In case your room doesn't have a safe, put your belongings inside your suitcase that has this kind of locking system. Set your code. These are preset to 000. And all you got to do is push the button and you can open up your case. Let's open it up. Same thing for extra stability of your clothes. And this also helps keeps your clothes down as well.
They call this a compression system.
Another wet pouch for bathing suits and wet socks and stuff like that. Another mesh bag. Let's open this side up.
This side has less depth because on the other side is the front panel for your electronics and devices. But it's perfect for my underwear and socks.
I can pack 2 weeks worth of clothes in here. As a guy, all I need is a lot of underwear, right? That's all I really need. The same material.
100% German polycarbonate.
This is also expandable. If you need more space, look how much more space you'll get. About 2 inches. I wish that worked with everything.
Nuh-uh. It's a very sturdy carry-on bag. To open the front panel, slide the lever on top and push in the panel itself. This will spring the panel forward.
This is for your battery pack. You have for a USB and a USB-C. You put your battery. And if you need to charge your phone, you open up the port and your battery will start charging. Speaking of your phone, the handle
becomes a phone holder.
And right here, there's a place to put your phone. So if you want to watch something, let's see.
I was invited to have lunch at Red Rooster Harlem. This is celebrity chef Marcus Samuelson's very first restaurant. It opened in 2010. I was driving to New York City to pick up my press pass for the National Puerto Rican Day Parade. That was a lot of fun. Make sure you watch that video.
There's a place for your laptop. Keep that secure. And these are Velcro, which I love. You could also put your computer on this side.
The front panel is padded.
There you go. The spinner wheels are amazing. And look at this side.
This is a cup holder.
A lot of people complained about it because they thought it was a water bottle holder. It is not. This is a cup holder for your takeout coffee, your Starbucks, your Dunkin' Donuts, whatever it is, you put it in here. This way your hands are free to go about your business. This is also not sturdy enough to hold a water bottle. This is a cup holder.
They wanted me to make that absolutely clear. Also, to be clear, you can get NOBL luggage in a myriad of colors.